supported by smooth mango fruit drink, refresh with mango. Refreshment for everyone. नेपाली इन्टरटेनमेन्ट इन्डस्ट्रीको मोस्ट रोमान्टिक कपल हो अस्मी श्रेष्ठ अनि सनम पुरीको मिस नेपाल 2016 अस्मी श्रेष्ठ अनि इन्डियन सिङ्गर सनम पुरी विगत केही वर्षदेखि रिलेसनसिपमा रहेका छन्। उनीहरूको प्रेमको चर्चा खुबै चल्ने गरेको छ। लकडाउनले गर्दा सनम र अस्मीको रिलेसनसिप अहिले लङ डिस्टेन्स रिलेसनसिप भइरहेको छ एन्ड बोथ अफ देम आर मिसिङ इच अदर। शिवपुरीमा गएको फोटो पोस्ट गरेर अस्मी सनमलाई मिस गर्दै लेख्छिन्, वेटिङ फर द डे when we no longer have to keep posting throwback to this beautiful sunset we watched together from Shivapuri. I miss you भन्दै अस्मीले सनमलाई मिस गरेकी छिन्। त्यस्तै सनम पुरीले पनि लभको इमोजिज राख्दै अस्मीलाई मिस गरिरहेका छन्। मेनवाइल सनम पुरी शेयर सम फिलोसफी अफ लाइफ। जिन्दगीको आफ्नो केही विचारहरू सनमले प्रस्तुत गरेका छन्। सनम पुरी सेज, we are so busy surviving. We have no time to explore life beyond what we are told. We don't know what we are anymore. We are all lost. We are no less than machines programmed to live according to the rules. Birth, eat junk food, go to school, then go to college, get a job, get married, get security, buy a house, have children, feed them junk food, get old, meet death, and then our children get stuck in the same cycle and live in this never-ending loop with no purpose in life. Is this it? Is this what life is all about? Really? I don't think so. And you too know deep inside that we are much more than what we have been taught to believe. We are unconditioned to live in fear, unconditioned to believe power is everything, and unconditioned to follow the rules made by those in power. We have become comfortable living in fear and we don't even know it. Is this what you call living this pattern? Be around nature as much as possible before it is completely stolen from us and then sold back to us. Cleanse your mind and your body. Start questioning the pattern. Stop running away from yourself. Face your fears. Be in control of yourself rather than control others or be controlled by others. Give yourself the love and freedom you deserve that you never knew you have had from the beginning of your existence. Open your heart to the infinite love energy available in the universe. अहिले सबैको जिन्दगी एकदमै धेरै बिजी छ र महामारीले गर्दा भोलि के हुन्छ थाहा छैन। त्यसैले आफैलाई आफूले पाउनु पर्ने प्रेम र स्वतन्त्रता दिनुहोस् भनेर सनम पुरी भन्छन्। यस्तो समय अलिकति प्रकृतिसँग रमाउनुहोस् भनेर पनि उनी भन्छन्। हामीसँग प्रकृति खोसिनुभन्दा अगाडि नै प्रकृतिको सुन्दरतामा रमाउनुहोस् भनेर सनम पुरीले आग्रह गरेका छन्।
Hello.
Try for the fifth time. Fifth time, Mama.
What? Fifth time what?
I think I am coming back for fifth time.
Oh, okay.
If
Okay.
the situation is going to improve, I think this is how we're gonna be spending our time.
Mimi.
Good.
Chiku's asking, Didi, Chiku ko hi bol do please.
Hi. Your name is Bhuvaneshwar.
Kya?
No, I said hi, Bhuvaneshwar.
Ah.
I miss mito food.
Hey. Chito.
Yeah, for this now, lockdown has to get over.
Mimi, somebody is calling
Because
you Amish. Amish, you are gorgeous.
Thank God, thank God they didn't say Amrish.
That'll be Amrish Puri then.
While saying, realized, oh my God, Amrish. Okay. was a good one.
अबे ओए क्या बोल रहे? That was Samar is talking to Ishan right now. I just saw Ishan's
Ishan.
face. I don't know what he said, but it just sounded funny. Anyway,
I wish it was possible to go live with 3 or 4 people. It'd be crazy.
I know. मैं
Right?
यही सोच रहा था. Yeah, it would have been nice if at least we could add 2 more. Then
I know. It would be pretty crazy.
guys.
Okay.
Hey, finally another person. Oh, what's that? Both of your smiles look similar.
Yeah, our ears are also very similar. Likha.
Yeah, people do say that. Samar भी same चीज बोलता है. कभी-कभी इतना
Yeah.
confuse हो जाता है. He thinks I am Asmi.
कुछ भी मत बोलो.
हाँ.
No, but we both have elephant ears. I don't know if it's monkey ear.
क्या बोला? No, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
But it's obvious.
तो बोल. अच्छा बोल कर अब तो बोल दिया है.
Look, there's nothing wrong about it. It's okay. We love animals. We love monkeys. We love elephants. You're a monkey, so it's fine.
Yeah, elephants from Chitwan.
You're a monkey. Monkey from Mumbai. Mumbai monkey.
Chakchake Badar from Mumbai.
Chakchake. Hey, monkey dilu. I think everybody compares you with monkey anyway. I don't know what's there to hide.
That's because I started putting that monkey emoji everywhere. So उसके बाद से everybody started calling me monkey. Yeah.
So don't have to hide, no? Show me your ears now. You're suddenly hiding. You're giving that profile from where it's not. Your ears are not visible.
ये ले.
Bye, Alan. It's okay.
तो आप क्या बोल रहे थे?
कौन?
Yes, tell me. What's your problem? What's the issue? Let me see if I can solve your problem.
Can you say something to Asmi in Nepali?
Yes, I can. Asmi, एकदमै जे पाइते कुरा बोलिरहेको छु.
भएन राम्ररी भन राम्ररी.
के?
राम्ररी भन.
के मतलब ठीक बोला मैंने?
राम्ररी भन.
के राम्ररी भन. Good ना?
Wait, forget it. Khushbu, I told you, Khushbu is the one who's from Prive. I think I told you about her, no?
Yes.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the video link and enjoy watching the videos.